So, we're working on getting this passenger side door off. But first, we got to take door panel off. 2 days. Under the axle bolt. Alright. Keep the little downhole, start put it down.
Yeah, this whole town's shutting down. Everyone's gathered round, heading to the fairgrounds to see us a show.
So we're moving on. The motor in this door is shit too, so it needs to be replaced. We need to find our bolts or screws, depending on what they are this time around, and drill holes for them so we can get them out of there. The door marked, hopefully, where we need to be drilling out at. I'm going to be drilling a bunch of blind holes everywhere. So our window is unfortunately stuck up at the moment, so hopefully we can get it to slowly go back down. Alright, let's try this real quick. One more time. See if we can get it to work. Oh, it's dropping. Not very fast, but it is going down. Slower as we go. That appears to be as far down as it wants to go. So, let's see if we can get this right the first time. Okay, our holes are drilled. I can see the rivets. First hole is right here. I don't know if you can see the rivet in there, but the second one is right here. Of course, I'm going to knock this little bridge out too. And the third one's right there. So you got 1, 2, and 3. And then you have to drill the rivets out that hold it in, because this is a factory one. It has not been replaced before. So I'm going to go ahead and get my son back out here to help hold the window, because it's not all the way down. And we'll drill these out and get some bolts, a couple nuts to put back in here in its place. Well, still the original motor. Nothing had been replaced in the door. So we have new motor. It is identical to the old motor. And thankfully, these come with nuts and bolts and mock washers. So hopefully, we'll be able to get our arm up in there and install this. So, what I would like to do before we try to bolt it in is just at least make sure that it works. I'm sure it does, but you never know. We'll reach over here to the driver's. Looks good to me. So let's figure out now how we get it in the door. Looks good to me. Let's keep rolling. What do you think? This comes back through the door. Should look good, right? I know I've said it before, but if you haven't already, please take a second to like and subscribe. I'd be forever grateful. The only thing left that we really need to do is there's a grommet that holds the wires in the door and protects them. It needs to be pushed into the door. And then we can set our door panel on here. I'm wondering how this. I'm going to put the speaker cone back. It holds that. But we still have all this attached from the factory that needs to be removed. See, you got two little bolts on the back side, and then that'll come out, and then we can put our replacement speakers in there one of these days. I don't know when that'll ever be, but just set stuff in here like that.
Yeah, this whole town's shutting down. Everyone's gathered round.
Don't have any speakers put in there at the moment. Let's see if we can get all this to go back in here like it's supposed to.
Yeah, this whole town's shutting down. Everyone's gathered round, heading to the fairgrounds to see us a show. Got an AM country station.
I think we're good. The only thing left to do is put a charger on the car, start it up, let it run, see if we got any vibrations from the door, see if the window motor works. Still got to go back and put speakers in, but for now, I think we're good. That'll do it for this time on the Never Ending Garage. We'll come back and see it again.